Hiya, my August kit from Planners Anonymous has just arrived. This one's called Peacock Ballet. I've only just finished setting up my Traveller's Notebook with Planner Babe, which was the July kit, and now it's August, so this is pretty exciting. There we go. So this is the extra sticker kit. This is the main kit of goodies. And then there are two paper packs here. One is the paper pack with the planner kit and one is the add-on paper kit. I think this one's the add-on paper kit. So we'll look at the add-on paper kit and sticker kit at the end. And I'll just start by looking at the paper in the main planner kit. The first page are these gorgeous peacock feathers, absolutely gorgeous watercolour, love it. And on the reverse of that, a plain watercolour wash. And then bobby pins. Anyone who has anything to do with ballet will know all about bobby pins, or even gymnastics. Bobby pins are all over the house, and on the back of that is this colour, watercolour wash. And then this paper is a gorgeous dance studio. So you could use die cuts or stickers to create a scene in the dance studio. And this purple is on the reverse of that one. So they're the 6 papers, and then there's this vellum, which is really nice. It's transparent being vellum, so if I put a page underneath it, you can see through the vellum and see the page underneath. So that's what vellum is. It's a different type of paper. And the design on the vellum is like the design on the first page that we looked at. And then there's a stunning piece of acetate. I'm not entirely sure which way it goes. It's silver looking on both sides. And it's the ballet dancer in the dance studio. It's lovely. So just to show you what that looks like, obviously it's completely transparent. Sorry for the glare, but there it is with paper. Oh, it's got a bad glare there. So there it is with paper underneath. And then in this bag we have the rest of the standard planner kit. We'll look at the girl first. So every month in Planners Anonymous kits there's a planner girl, although next month there's actually a planner guy. But this is the girl for the month, and her name is Holly. So I won't read the back there. I know some people like to read that when they receive their kit. If you'd like to read it, you could just pause it here and read it. So that's the Peacock Ballet dancer. I love the pens. Every month I love the pens. I just love pens. So this pen has Planners Anonymous engraved or etched, I'm not sure what the word is, along there. It has silver hardware this month, a gorgeous purple barrel, and there are the crystals in the pen. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the pens. Every month I love the pens. We'll just look at the washi at the end. This is the, I'm not sure what you call it, I think somebody calls it mystery item of the month. So it's an item that changes every month. This month are bookmarks, bobby pin bookmarks, and one has dream on it and one has plan on it. So they're cute. And the quote cards. There's the backing on the quote card, the gorgeous peacock feathers. And then we've got raise the bar, bit of a pun. Dance through life. Dance to the beat of your own drum. Sing, dance, dream. If you stumble, make it part of the dance. Great advice. And the final one, without dance, what is the point? And notice the spelling of point there. So again this month we've got the plain watercolour background on the cards like we had in Planner Bay. So Sammy's intention with the plain background is that they'll stand out more on the patterned paper. It's sort of the intent of the plain background. So this is the stamp set this month. So we've got Holly the dancer there, and various dancing paraphernalia like the shoes and the bobby pin and so on. Dance Through Life, Raise the Bar. I believe this is designed to fit in a planner box, and you can use these little notches like for a to-do list or something like that. And then also gorgeous peacock feathers. And the die cuts for the month. I'll start with the big one. So this is the large 5x7 inch, which is B6 size, the large art card. On with the show, it has written down here. And I do believe some of these gorgeous die cuts you could use on here to make your own scene. So I'll just move that to there for now. There's this gorgeous peacock dancer. I'll need to show you that one up close. That's just stunning. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And a male dancer. They're just stunning. Then there's the pocket for the month with the peacocks in it, and we've got bits of makeup out of there. So these are perforated along here, so you can fold them in to create an easy pocket for your planner. And a gorgeous big die cut, great for dashboards. Peacock, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous peacock. Another large die cut, great for dashboards. A mask. A ticket to the Peacock Ballet. Another stunning peacock in a non-traditional pose. I love it. It's not the conventional sort of peacock look at all, which you expect. Love it. Then we have the tutu on a coat hanger. A bouquet of flowers. A makeup brush, of course. And two smaller peacock feathers. So here you can see all of the die cuts in the kit. And then there's the sticker sheets that come in the planner kit. So here's the first one with Holly and with the peacock and other bits and bobs. All of them are gorgeous, just gorgeous, gorgeous watercolour. And there's another girl in a ballet pose and other little gorgeous watercolour bits and bobs. I'll have to stop saying gorgeous. I'll think of another word. Here we have date headers and a weekend sticker, and this is a folding traveller's notebook sticker. And then in the colours of the kit, various icons. A Peacock Ballet sticker, and you can see here the sticker for next month. So the September kit is Barista Brunch, and that actually features a planner guy. So obviously it's a coffee themed kit. So they're the 4 sticker sheets in the kit. And then there's the washi. All 3 of them have silver foil. So what I'll do is I'll roll these out so we can have a good look at them. Here are the 3 washies in the kit. So the thinner one I've just rolled down the side there, and it's the roses with the silver foil bow on them. This one's the peacock feathers with the silver foil. Hopefully you can see that there. And this wide one, oh my goodness me. This is how much there is before the pattern repeats again. And honestly, the silver foiling on these ballet slippers, totally gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I said I'd stop saying gorgeous. From now on, I'm not going to say gorgeous in this video. So that's the washi for the kit. Just to recap quickly what's in the standard planner kit. You've got the 6 pieces of pattern paper, the acetate, the vellum, a bunch of die cuts, including the 5x7 inch card, a stamp set, a set of 6 quote cards, the pen, and the 3 washi rolls. Oh, and the 4 sheets of stickers. So a fantastic kit, and it looks like great fun to craft with. And now we'll have a quick look at the extra paper pack and extra sticker pack. This is the first paper in the add-on paper pack. So this is a paper pack you can add on to your subscription. So the first page is another gorgeous watercoloured peacock feather paper. So just to give you a bit of a comparison, this is the one in the add-on pack, and this was the one in the standard pack. So you can see they are different but coordinating, so gorgeous. And then on the reverse side of that, this lovely blue watercolour wash. Wow, a theatre. So this is a grand theatre. And on the reverse side of that is a black. And then roses, the bouquet of roses with all of the separate little petals around the bouquets. And of course this colour on the back. So in addition to the 6 pattern papers, you get another copy of the vellum and another copy of the acetate, which is really fantastic for this kit, as both of them are completely gorgeous. So that is the add-on paper pack, and now we'll have a look at the add-on sticker pack. Okay, there is a massive, massive, massive wad of stickers here. I get blown away every month by how many stickers are in the add-on sticker kit. This is the first sheet with holly on it and other little bits and bobs. This is really cute actually, for the corner stickers having the ballet slippers and the stage lights. Really cute. I'll just push those out of the way. This is the second sheet with another dancer and lots of dancing paraphernalia. Oh my, oh my. This is my favourite page with the Peacock Ballet dancers and the peacocks. Honestly, look at those. I have to show you these up close. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Ah, I said gorgeous. Very pretty. Stunning. I could say stunning. And here we have a dancing guy with some peacock statues and bits of gardening things. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. So it's a top view of the ballet dancer receiving her bouquet of flowers. Really gorgeous. Ah, I said gorgeous again. And lots of different feet positions. And these you can obviously put around a box. And then lots of hair accessories. And these you can put down the side of your box, like the stamp, makeup. And so nicely watercoloured. Oh great, we've got a sticker sheet of quotes back. I love this sheet, so it's nice to have that one back. I like this one. Dance like no one is watching. And then we're on to boxes. So these are full box stickers and this is a double box sticker. And these are full box stickers and that's a double box sticker. I love the silhouette of the dancer. And then the date dots, 2 sets of date dots, and the little notes, which are one of my favourite stickers. Then we've got the different sheets for the weeks. So each sheet is in a different colour for the kit, and you've got the date headers, weekend banner, various splashes, and a full box. So these are the colours we have this month. And purple. And these are always one of my faves, the little minis. They're so cute. So cute. Hopefully you can see them there. So they're the deco minis. And then these are more functional minis. You've got sick minis and shopping minis and cleaning minis and all sorts of different minis there. And then you've got peeking minis here. So these look really cute on boxes or beside boxes. Love the peeking minis. So they're the minis. And here we have the entire sticker kit. So 18 lovely sheets of stickers and a gorgeous watercolour. Really, really nice. I can't recommend them highly enough. Thanks very much for watching this unboxing of the Peacock Ballet kit from Planners Anonymous. This is the August subscription kit, and I unboxed the planner kit, the additional paper pack, and the additional sticker kit. And honestly, as per usual, it is stunning. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Bye!